In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show your battery percentage on your Samsung phone. So as you can see in the top right hand corner of my screen, I do have my battery percentage displayed on my phone. And what will happen when you first get a phone, this will not be displayed, so you have to turn it on yourself within the settings. So first of all, how you go ahead and do this is if you head over to your settings, once you click on settings, you will need to scroll down until you find battery and device care. Click on battery and device care and you'll be brought to here, and you will need to select the battery option. Once you select battery, as you can see, there is no option here to allow your percentage to be displayed. So what you need to do is simply click on more battery settings. Once you click on more battery settings, as you can see in the middle section there is an option now to show battery percentage. So if I toggle this off, as you can see, it is now disappeared from my phone. So all you need to do is simply toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, as you can see, the battery percentage will then be displayed in the top right hand corner right next to the battery icon. So that's how you can go ahead and show your battery percentage on Samsung phones. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.